sound of paper ripping thin, promises folded deep within, tearing edges like fragile skin.
It's not the treasure we hold tight,
It's the unravel, the spark, the fight. Oh, the sound of paper, that sweet surrender. It's the mystery we savor, not the answer, not the answer. An empty box, but hearts collide.